Hey guys, this is Daniel over at dronesinhawaii.com. I wanted to go ahead and share some more information with you guys about the Part 107. When I was first starting out, I wish that I had known all the answers to the Part 107 tests, or at least where to find them. So I created a study guide and an application that's going to do just that. And so I wanted to share it with you so you can get an idea of what's necessary to learn for the Part 107. For those who don't know, it's just basically an FAA license that allows a drone operator to fly drones commercially, AE for cash or for money or for anything that has to do with value. So even if there is a trade, for example, your buddy wants you to go ahead and do some drone content for him in exchange for football tickets, you're still going to need a Part 107, and even things as gray as YouTube as well. If you're making money through ads, you're still going to need it. But yeah, let's get into it. The first thing I want to show you guys is my website, but more importantly, the blog post that I made recently about the study guide. Over there, you'll be able to find all of the information that's necessary to go ahead and start studying. All of this information can be found online as well. I mean, there's different kinds of people and YouTubers that actually go into this content a lot more in detail. Just keep in mind that this is going to be a general overview to get you prepped. There's also the web application. It's technically not done yet, but I do want to show you and offer you guys a little bit of value. So if you go ahead and log in, make sure to register before you do. I'll go ahead and put in my credentials. Where's that go? Cool, I'm not a robot. Awesome. And it does take a little bit of time, so bear with it. But once you are logged in, you'll be able to see a couple of things. Not only will you have questions and answers that pertain to basically all of the FAA Part 107 regulation, but you'll also be able to study it using the toggle button. Additionally, for those who like test taking, we've also created the quiz application for you to be able to go through it. Now, the quiz application is comprised of 30 questions in 12 minutes. So when you do have a little bit of time, please go ahead and use it. It's actually a very valuable tool that will help you pass on the first try. So once you do finish, for the sake of this, go ahead and get rid of that, but you're also able to see your quiz history. So this way, you'll be able to see if you're actually progressing or getting worse. Usually people who are getting worse are the ones that aren't really studying too much. But yeah, with these two tools, hopefully you will be able to pass on the first end. But if for any questions or concerns, you can always go to my website here at Drones in Hawaii. Down at the very bottom, there's all the information to get into contact with me. Awesome. See you later.